To change the font to Korean on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. Next, what you need to do is just scroll down and tap on display. As you tap on it, scroll down again and here you can see the option of font. So tap on font and it will lead you to the list of fonts that you have on your device and that you can download. Now what we need to do over here is you just have to tap on the search bar, and as you tap on the search bar, just search for Korean and search for it, and here you'll be able to see different fonts related to Korean. So you just have to tap on any of this and you can just download for free and just wait until it gets downloaded and then tap on apply and just wait until it gets applied over here on your device. Therefore, your font has been changed to Korean. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.